In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for EBT online. To get started, the first thing you should do is check whether you may qualify for SNAP benefits in your state. SNAP eligibility is handled at the state level, so income limits, residency rules, and other requirements can vary depending on where you live. Taking a moment to review those guidelines first can save time and help you understand what information you'll need before you begin the application. Once you've confirmed that you're likely eligible, go to your state's official SNAP application website. A reliable way to find the correct portal is through the USDA SNAP page or the SNAP directory on usa.gov. This is important because you want to make sure you're applying through the official government website for your state, not a third-party site. After you reach the correct application page, create an online account if your state requires one. Some states let you begin right away, while others ask you to register first so you can save your progress, upload documents, and check your application status later. If you do create an account, make sure you keep your login details somewhere safe for future access. Next, complete the online application. You'll usually be asked to enter your personal information, details about the people in your household, your income and employment information, and your housing and utility expenses. It helps to fill this out carefully and accurately, since these details are used to determine both eligibility and benefit amount. If your state requests supporting documents, upload them during the application process. Common examples include proof of identity, proof of income, proof of residency, and documents showing household expenses. Having these ready ahead of time can make the process much smoother and reduce delays. Before you send anything in, review your application carefully and then submit it. Double-checking your entries is a good idea because even small errors can slow down processing. After submission, you'll need to complete the required interview. In most cases, this interview is done by phone, although some states may sometimes conduct it in person. Be sure to watch for any messages or instructions about when and how your interview will take place. Once that's done, your state agency will review your application. Processing usually takes up to 30 days. Although some households with urgent need may qualify for expedited benefits, if your application is approved, you'll receive your EBT card by mail. You can then use that card to buy eligible food items at participating stores. That's the full online application process, and if you follow each part carefully, it should be much easier to complete with confidence.